Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video on my shiitake logs. I got some crisscrossed. I just picked a few off there. I got these all leaning up here, and I done picked a few off. And I'm surprised these logs are, oh, they got to be at least 7 years old out here. And you'd think shiitake production would be done, but I still got shiitakes coming out. You know, this log here, it shows you how long these logs have been here. And a lot of them aren't producing, but I got a few down there, a few there, pretty big one there. Well, they're still hanging on, and these are all various types of oak, and some of these logs never produced hardly when I first put them out, but I think these are the ones that weren't producing, so it just took them longer. And they like that. Shiitakes like to hide on you. Let me put you around here, like that one there. And they get underneath. Sometimes you gotta feel for them underneath the logs. Okay, but every time I try to grow mushrooms, like I tried to grow wine caps, that's the problem I have right there, those turkey tails. And you know, I've been successful in finding the oyster mushrooms out in the wild, and I've gotten them started, and every time, you know, turkey tails or something take them over. And if anybody has any suggestions or anything, because I'm by far no expert on mushrooms, but if anybody's got any suggestions on how to grow oysters better, even my wine caps, they come up real good, and then all of a sudden they were gone. So I don't know what the deal is, but if anybody's got any ideas, let me know. And please feel free to subscribe, like, and share. I could use it. All right. Have a good day, and God bless.